Olivia was supposed to be on a flight home to Poland today, but instead I talked her into coming sailing with me. So before she changes her mind, I'm taking her to see my new yacht and surprising the factory to find out if it's actually going to be ready. I had spent the previous week at an Airbnb right on the water on my favorite island, Koh Chang. All right, well, I had a great time here in Koh Chang. I love this place here. Just being able to look out at the water every day and, it's really nice and relaxing. Didn't do a whole lot though, kind of worked and all that. So today, exciting, going to head to Pattaya and meet the newest crew member that I've not actually met. So you may know I did a podcast the other day talking about dating and all that, and you have to get on the stupid dating apps. Well, that's what happened. I met her on Bumble. She's actually supposed to fly home to Poland tomorrow. She's been out traveling longer than I have. And I don't know, we started chatting. I was like, well, you can always just change your flight. So she did. We're gonna go meet her in Pattaya, and if everything works out, she's planning to sail with me for the next couple months. Starting out as just crew, whatever, and then, but we're open to see which way it goes. I took the week off of filming here because I made a video about it, last week, and it didn't do very well, so you guys didn't seem too interested in just seeing this without the sailing life, so I just took a week off from filming. So, gonna drive 5 hours to Pattaya right now and meet her, Olivia, and then tomorrow we're gonna take her to the boat, and it's pretty much finished in the factory. And you guys, I'm gonna take you with me. Hey guys, let me break in here just a moment. I got the new Sailing Doodles app. It's in the App Store right now. There's a link below, but I'm gonna talk to more about that at the end of the video. Now back to this video. It's a little over 4 hours drive from Koh Chang to Pattaya, and you have to take a ferry, so it ends up being over 5 hours of travel time. But it is a relatively easy and pretty drive. I pulled into my Airbnb in Pattaya. All right, leaving the pups behind, sadly, today. Gonna go surprise the factory with a little tour. Didn't tell them we're coming. Hopefully they're gonna give me good news about the boat. It seems like, look guys, you said it was gonna be ready this week. Is it actually gonna be ready? But first, before I do that, I have a very important person to introduce you to. Say hello to Emily.
Hi.
Emily. Olivia, I gotta do that again, hang on. Why did I say Emily? I don't know why I said Emily.
It's okay.
All right, but first, let me introduce you to a very important person.
You said it has to be authentic.
I screwed up on her name. Meet Olivia. So there you go.
Hi.
Sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Tell everybody a little bit about you. Where you're from? What's your story? Who are you?
I'm Olivia. I'm from Poland. I've been traveling for some time, and we met. So I'll be hopping on the boat. And I hope it's gonna be a great adventure.
She was actually, you're supposed to fly home today.
Yes.
So I convinced her, I was like, well, you could always just get another flight.
Yeah.
So, and you didn't really want to go home anyway.
No, I did not want to. I had this huge feeling that I should not go, and then you appeared.
So now she's gonna be sailing around on the new boat, we hope. So
yes,
are you excited to go see it?
Yeah, very much.
All right, so I've got to put the puppy dogs away. I'm not going to take them to the factory today just because it's kind of hard keeping up with them. So, all right, gonna get the car ready and then put them away and then we'll get moving. It's about a 40-minute drive from Pattaya to the Group Island Spirit Factory. So you were afraid that was it, huh?
Yeah, I felt like this is it.
Yeah, it's the one over there. All right.
Yeah, this one looks more ready.
All right, let's check in the office real quick. I want to talk to him, and then I'll go show it to you. All right, unbelievably, that's great news. So they're saying today's Monday. They're saying Wednesday night they're moving it out of the factory and taking it down to the marina. So it'll be there Thursday morning. And then they got a couple days of stuff to do. They say they're gonna put it in the water on Saturday afternoon. So, wow. We're talking 5 days and it's ready.
Wow.
So this is the mast right here. So that'll go on top. And then, so this is hull number 6. Mine is number 5. These are all the parts. So this is the aft seating area. This is the fly bridge cover. And this is the beds and all that. That's for this other boat over here. This is number 6 where they're still building it. And then mine is over here. And every time I do, I find I want to make your dreams come true. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. So it's got the trampoline there and all that stuff.
That's for the dogs, yeah?
Yeah, for the dogs. So what do you think?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Is it bigger than you thought?
Yeah,
It
I
is?
think so. Yeah.
All right, well, let's get you on board. So this is one of the electronic battery packs. There are 4 of these. So each one of these is a battery pack that you would put like in a Tesla.
Oh wow.
So that's one. There's one on the other side. Yeah. So this is the battery temperature monitoring system. So it pumps coolant to keep the batteries cool and the motors cool and everything. So there's just a ton of storage in here. I mean, look how much storage.
This is a storage.
Yeah. So then your bed here, and lots
then
of, yeah, you can open.
Okay, there is quite a lot of space here.
And then here as well.
Oh yeah, all right.
Olivia's like, oh, but there's plenty of space for storage here, but she literally has a backpack, and that's all she has. She has one backpack.
And it's a carry-on.
And a little carrot, yeah. It's literally a purse and a backpack, and that's it. So, yeah,
For half a year.
you would need a quarter of one of these to fill it up right now. So, anyway. And then there's more storage here.
Ah, okay.
So, lots of storage there.
That's
you know, whatever you need. And then, like I said, your bathroom here. I mean...
And there's AC as well. This is AC?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, see, it's a good size bathroom.
Yeah.
So coming here, this is my office. So I'll have my computer here.
Okay.
And yeah.
It's nice that you have little windows.
I mean, yours has a, your side has a...
Yeah, I saw.
And air there.
Maverick.
Yeah, that's the name of the, it's one of my dogs. I'm not sure what hole they're gonna start on. This is the decks for where the motors would be, but the generator is. And they've got these big clamps that'll clamp everything down real tight so it doesn't get any water ingress, and it's sealed. But the new version, those are gonna be built into it, and they're gonna enter the engine bay from a hatch on the top, so it just helps keep the water out and everything a little bit better. But that's gonna be a design change on the new ones going forward. So these are the keels. So these go on the bottom of the boat. They glue them in place because they're called sacrificial keels. So they normally help you go straight, right?
Okay.
When you're sailing. But they're designed to, if you hit something very hard, they will break off, right? Rather than ground the boat.
Yeah.
But I mean, it sucks. You'd have to replace it and it would be expensive, but it's better than damaging the boat.
Yeah, for sure.
And then this is all like the fenders and the dock lines. So this is are my rudders right here. They're doing a lot of stuff. It's kind of weird that they're saying
so many people working.
Yeah, so many people. But they're trying to get all the finishing touches done because they're going to move. It's leaving the factory on Wednesday. So Wednesday night. Pretty excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah. All right. So I wanted to get your reaction away from all that. So what are your thoughts on the boat? What do you think?
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Have you done much sailing or anything?
No, not much. Only like 1-2 day trips, and then.
But you've slept and spent nights out on it?
Yeah. But normally it would be like the tourist boats,
right?
Where you have you go for 7 days around some islands in Indonesia or something like that.
Yeah.
Like on private boats, maybe 1-2 days max.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a very new experience for me.
All right. Well, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited about it.
But it's much more comfortable than I thought it's going to be. It's really...
Well, so we were talking about on the way here, she was like, you've actually got a job interview tonight? And I'm like, but you have a job. You're a bikini model for sailing Doodles. So, I mean, you can put that on your resume. That'll work great. All right, I'm going to see if I can borrow the keys real quick to go down. I'm going to show you something else. Yeah. So I'm going to show her the dinghy because she's real excited to wakeboard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so wakeboard and foil.
And foil, yeah. So the foil is inside. I think I got a little video of that. Got an e-foil. That's gonna be a lot of fun. And tried to get as many water toys as I could. So, and a lot of them will be arriving tomorrow. So I'm gonna go down here, show her the dinghy, and then I guess we need to go to the mall and go shopping and stuff. We need to we won't do it today, maybe we'll do it tomorrow. But, she only has one bikini, so definitely need more bikinis for her.
More bikinis. And a pan.
And a pan so you can cook?
I can cook, yeah.
We'll get all that. But anyway, so we got to get all that stuff. But I've lost my beard trimmer, so I need to get one of those, and then whatever. And then she needs bikinis, and we got to do some shopping. These are the molds. They don't currently have one in the mold. I imagine they'll probably start on the next one as soon as my boat leaves the factory. But this is where, it's kind of like the negative image of a boat. So line all this with fiberglass and vacuum seal the bags and everything in it. So it's like the negative. When you make a mold of something? Yeah. So it's a negative. It looks the opposite of what the boat will look like. As soon as mine leaves the factory Wednesday, they'll probably start on another one. Hole number 7. So hole number 6 and 7 are both sold. Hole number 6 will be ready in June or July, and then it's going to be at the Annapolis Boat Show. And then 7 will be delivered by the end of the year. It'll be finished in like October, November. And then 8 would be ready in the spring of next year. So if you want number 8, there's a link in the description right now where you can, contact them and see about getting one. Oh, sorry. Make sure you saw it on Sailing Doodles. So this is the dinghy.
So this is the wakeboarding stuff.
Yeah. So this is where you're gonna wakeboard behind.
Okay.
So
that's cool.
It's got, so that right there, that pole right there is for this, is where the ski rope goes.
Okay.
And pull the wakeboarder. So it's got a stereo. It's got, it's pretty much all cool.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Where are you going that way? Truck's over here. All right, what you think?
It's amazing. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. So we got like so much. We got to buy towels, sheets, pots and pans, plates, coffee machine, all that stuff. So I think you were asking me yesterday or today if I'm excited. I was like, now I'm excited. Because I fully expected to show up there and they'd be like, we're going to move it next week.
Yeah.
But they're like, Wednesday, it's leaving the factory.
Yeah.
So now I'm actually excited.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's getting real.
Yes, it's finally getting real. And then they say they'll be finished with it on Saturday. So we're moving onto the boat like Sunday and maybe setting sail like Monday or Tuesday or something. That'd be nice.
Already?
No. Yeah. Well, we're going to go sail around. So we'll sail around the islands around Phuket. Not Phuket, Pattaya. Just to make sure everything works. And then when we know everything works, then we will, then we'll take off for Koh Samui.
Right.
That'll be the opposite of what I told you. So normally I told you it was 4 or 5 hour sails and then we're at an island.
Okay, and how long will it
This
take?
one will be 24, 30 hours.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, but
Good that you are preparing for that.
Not a sponsor. My preferred beer here in Thailand is Singa. They also have Leo and Chong. They're okay. I prefer this one. Anyway, we had a successful day of bikini shopping and seeing the boat and all that. So now we got to try out. I'm not trying out a bikini. Somebody else is trying out a bikini. So it's time to get in the pool. Watch out, boys. They're wet. Sorry. Boys, relax. Boys. Let's see the fashion show. Oh, come on. You look fantastic.
I know.
Okay, there you go.
Hey, but it's nice, no?
Yeah, it is very nice. You look beautiful. Cougar, little murderer. So Cougar's the hunter. He's always looking for something to kill. He loves going after lizards and something. Merlin he's just chilling. All right, I talked her into getting into the pool. So let's see. How was it? Your first day seeing the boat, filming everything?
It's amazing. I'm very excited.
Okay.
I wonder how it's gonna be on a boat like this. to live there actually. Like,
The dogs are dancing around the camera pretty good there. So living on it. Well, you said you've done a little bit on a boat, but you've
yeah,
never...
but never like that, you know. Like never actually. I don't know how it's gonna be. Like the days, how it's gonna look like with the filming and so on. And
Well, I mean, this camera is very small and unintrusive.
yeah,
I mean, like, you won't even notice half the time.
yeah. No, but the boat is amazing. The boat is great. I'm excited also for the shopping.
She liked going shopping today, yeah.
No, I'm saying for the.
Oh, so that's what we gotta... So that's
for
what
the
we...
bed sheets and pillows and pants and.
I'm gonna go to the factory and work on the dinghy and get it prepped to go, get everything ready to go, and then she's gonna start by Olivia's gonna go to the mall and start doing some shopping. Then I'll meet you at the mall.
Yes.
Because I mean, you don't think about it, like we've got to buy pots, pans, sheets, towels,
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Mops.
iron, steamers, I
Yeah.
mean, like everything.
Oh, come with me. Like.
Guys, check out the new Sailing Doodles app. So I'm posting daily behind the scenes pictures, photos. So the people on the app already saw Olivia. They got to meet her on there. Early videos, little picture sets that you don't get anywhere else. And behind the scenes photos, all that stuff. And then you also get access to our forum where everybody's chatting in there, having a good time, meeting people and making connections and kind of having a community there. There's a chat where you can just see if anybody else is online. You can chat with them right then. There is you'll get access to our live feed. So next week we're gonna start live streaming from the boat. It'll be really cool, so you get to check that out. And then of course there is the cruising guide, which so basically I'm giving reviews of every place I sail to: marinas, bars, restaurants, beaches, anchorage, all that stuff. So if you want to go cruising in the Bahamas and you want to figure out where I've been, then you can just download the app and you get access to all those places. So the app is free to download, but it does have limited functionality unless you subscribe to it. It is the same price as like Patreon and Podia and all that. So if you are a patron or on Podia, you get access to the app with the same email. Channel members, we're working on that right now. I've got my developer working on it to get that integrated so that if you're a channel member, you get automatic access. Plus, then you can sign up with Apple or whatever you want to do, Google, and then you can subscribe in the App Store and you get access to it as well. So I'm really excited about it. I put a lot of work into this, and I designed it all myself and did it all myself. I had to have a developer get it listed on there. But anyway, so check out the Sailing Doodles app. You get early access to all and exclusive pictures and all that stuff. So thank you guys for the support. Couldn't do it without you, and I'm excited. We're gonna start sailing on the new boat next week. I can't believe it. We're actually gonna be sailing on my new boat and cruising next week. So hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel.